guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anu. I hope you guys are all doing good. So today's video is going to be a review video, like it says in the title. I was reached out to by a company called Yeskicks.Ru. They reached out to me and wanted to send me some items that I could share with you guys. So I went ahead, went on their website, went to see what it was all about, and I thought it would be a good idea to share with you guys. So if you guys want to know what I'm reviewing in today's video, stay tuned. But before we start, you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, so that you're in touch with everything that I share on this channel. I do fashion videos and I do an occasional hair review here and there, a little bit of, you know what, we're just all about fashion on this channel. So if you guys want to see more of me, more of this beautiful face, subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Just a quick side note, I don't understand, I think something's going on with YouTube where I get notifications for people I'm not subscribed to. I don't really know what's happening with YouTube. I don't really understand it, but I'm just getting all these notifications of people I'm not subscribed to. So YouTube, what's up? So if you guys want to be notified every time I upload a video, subscribe and turn on your notifications, because you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this beautiful face. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this review. Yeskicks is a website that do quite a few things, so I'm just going to be looking at my phone just to give you guys accurate information. The website is actually called Yeskicks.Cn, and their website do quite a variety of things. But what I kind of noticed from going through their website is they kind of sell a lot of trainers, but I think it's like high-end trainers and like normal range trainers as well. Obviously a few design items here and there. I think it's a replica company. I think what they do is like replicas of trainers, but these are like really good replicas, really. So I went on their website just to check it out, to see what they're about. I've never shopped on this website before. It's kind of new to me. I've never heard about them before as well. They also do stuff for kids as well, so if you've got kids and you don't want to spend so much money on buying your kids some good quality shoes, I think this website is definitely one you should check out. They also do like wristwatches and a few fashion accessories here and there, but I think you should definitely check this website out. They have quite a lot of things on the website and I think it's really brilliant. So if you're on a budget like me and you don't want to spend a ridiculous amount of money on a pair of trainers, I would definitely suggest checking out this website. Or if you wanted to spend a lot of money on a pair of trainers but you kind of wanted to test it out first to see if you'd really like it, I think you should definitely check out this website. Their prices are quite reasonable, which I would definitely say, and from what I received, I think the website is quite good. I mean, I would definitely want to shop there on my own with my own money just so I see what the service is really like, but from my experience so far, I think it's pretty cool. So I think I'm talking too much, and I know you guys are probably like, you know what, stop all the rambling, let's see what you actually received. So I'm going to show you guys what I actually got. I received this pair of trainers in this box. It came by DHL in a DHL bag, which I already removed. Shipping was really quick. I think shipping came in like 3 days, which is pretty good. Under a week, that's quite good. I've opened it, but I haven't really had a proper look. It actually came today, about 2 hours ago. I just opened it just to see what was inside and I was quite pleased. The trainers I got are the Yeezy Boost 700. I've never owned a pair of Yeezys, so I don't know what they're supposed to look like. Came in this box right here, and like I said, it's the Yeezy Boost 700. The box I think looks pretty okay. It kind of had a little dent, obviously from transit. I don't think that affected the trainers. The box comes like this. It has all your description stuff right here. These are the Yeezy Boost 700 V2. Again, there's a little dent there, but that's probably from shipping. So let's see what's inside. This box is a little bit of a hassle to open though. So these are the trainers that I received. But let's have a look at it. I've been seeing these trainers actually everywhere. I really like them, but I'm not really big on trainers, so I didn't really want to cop out like a lot of money to buy these because I'm not really a trainer girl. So when they reached out to me, I thought it would be a good time to try them out. So if I do want more, I will purchase more colors, maybe. Now in the box it just comes with a pair of trainers and paper. This is my first time actually bringing it out of the box, so yeah, it just comes with paper inside it like that, and yeah. So now let's talk about the trainers. These are the trainers and I got them in the grey colorway. They have quite a few colors of these on the website, so I'm going to, oh, there's something sticky on the inside. That's not very good. There's like some sticky stuff on the inside. I think that's probably from the glue. Yeah, that was not very good. But let's analyze these. These are the trainers. I think they're pretty good quality. I mean, I'm not sure if that's how that's supposed to be. I think they're quite nice. It doesn't have anything on it to say they're Yeezys. I'm not sure if that's how the real ones are supposed to be, but it's got the Adidas logo at the bottom there. To be honest with you, what I like about these, they're so lightweight. I tried on a pair of them and they're very comfortable. I picked mine up in a size 8 and I think these are so comfortable. They're very lightweight on your feet. They're really nice. In terms of quality and how they're made, to be honest with you, these look really well made. These look really good. These look really nice. These trainers were only $160, which is equivalent to about £125. I think that's a good price for these, considering the actual price of the real ones are, I think, just over £200. They're about £200 to £300. I'm not sure exactly, but I think that's around the price that I saw it for on a few websites. So I think this is a definite steal at that price. And again, the color I just think is such a neutral color. This can go with everyone's wardrobe. I think it's such a nice color to have in your wardrobe, and it's quite classic, so I mean it might take a little while before you get tired of wearing these. I really like them a lot. In terms of the quality of the trainers, these look superb. They're well made. Every single stitch is in place, and it's obviously got the different textures and different fabrics there. It's got the little suede like fabric. I think this is supposed to be like some kind of glow in the dark kind of thing. I'm not really sure. It's got the knit that's there. It also comes with long laces. These only came with the laces that are on the trainers. There were no spare laces that came with these. In terms of the website, it's quite a big website, so there is quite a lot of things on the website, so you can feel a bit overwhelmed if you don't know what you're looking for. So I would definitely suggest that you kind of have in mind what you're looking for, so when you go on the website you can kind of streamline your search. That kind of helps, because when I went on the website it was a lot and I was just like, oh my god. So I kind of had to know, I kind of went back to see what do I really want, and so I decided to go searching for these. I initially either wanted these or I wanted Air Forces. I checked on the Air Force stuff and I didn't really see what I wanted or anything that stood out to me, so I decided to go for these ones right here. Now they have quite a lot of designer trainers on the website as well, so I definitely say you check that out. I also saw the Air Force collaboration with Off-White, so definitely go on the website and have a look. Seeing is believing on this website. I was quite amazed. The quality of these are gorgeous and I just love holding them because they're so lightweight. I tried them on, they're comfortable to walk in. These are errand running shoes because your legs will not hurt. Excuse me, your legs will not hurt. And I think I would definitely be going back to get myself a few more colorways. So I just wanted to get a classic kind of color just to see if I really liked it, and if I did, I would go back to get myself some more. So I like these ones, and your girl, you might just be seeing a different color in every single color. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I like the trainers. They're very well made. They look good quality, very similar to the real thing. So in terms of the trainers, I have nothing bad to say about the shoes that I received. Now let's get on to the actual website itself. Now there are a couple of things I had problems with on the website. Number one, they don't take PayPal. that can be a bit daunting for somebody who is a bit skeptical about a website they've never used before. So I think it's something the website might definitely need to have a look into, getting themselves some kind of PayPal payment, because you want to be sure that you're spending your money in a secure way. I would not advise anybody to not use PayPal, so this was kind of like a gamble for me. Even though I didn't pay my own money, I'm a bit concerned that if I had to pay my own money, I would kind of want to pay on PayPal, and the fact that they didn't have any PayPal options on there kind of made me feel a little bit uncomfortable. Now that's the one thing I would say that I don't really like about the website, is they don't do PayPal payments. It would be nice if they could sort that out, because then it's kind of easier for people to buy on the website. I mean, it's 2019, everybody takes PayPal. Everybody should take PayPal, as far as I'm concerned. A few payment methods that they do accept: Western Union. Now I've never used Western Union before, and I think something that was kind of helpful that they put on the website is a little YouTube video just right there of how to use the Western Union. Okay. So they put a little video, a little YouTube video of how to use the Western Union app. So I think it's something you can download and kind of transfer money to them through that method. Now again, I'm a bit, I don't know how to feel about this, but because I have ordered from the website and my order came and it was quite nice, the product that I received, I just feel the need to throw it out there that I didn't pay for this stuff. It was sent to me for free, so I didn't have to use my own money. So I think it's a good idea to kind of speak to the sellers, because they do have a phone number which I will leave in my description box, so you can contact them. They have WhatsApp numbers that you can like ask questions, or you kind of communicate with them before you make any purchase if you feel uncomfortable. But I have used the website and so far I didn't have any issues with it. So how it kind of works is you place your order like normal, you get your sizes, you get everything that you want, the trainers that you want, you place your order like normal, put all your details in, and then they send you an email of your order number, and then you make your payment after they send you the email of your order, like an invoice kind of thing. It's a bit complicated, and I really wish they would simplify the process, because it's not that deep. It's just shoes. Like, nobody wants to go through all this long process for shoes. It's just long. Do you get what I mean? And so that's the only problem I would definitely say. So Yeskicks, please, if you can please set out the payment method and make it easier for people to purchase on your website, that would be very, very well appreciated. That's kind of what I have to say about the payment method. I think that's the only thing that I really had an issue with on the website, was the payment. I was just like, this is a long process. But they're very good at communicating. They're also on Instagram. I've seen a few people have purchased from their website, and I haven't really heard anything bad so far. So from that being said, I can definitely say I think it's a safe website you can buy from. If you're unsure, you can communicate with them. I will leave all their details down below, so you can communicate with them directly if you're not really sure and you're a bit iffy, or you're umming and butting about buying from them. If you're not sure, you can contact them on WhatsApp. They have a phone number that you can ring, and you can email them. They're quite easy to reach and they get back to you quite quickly. You can also contact them on Instagram if you're not sure as well. That I would definitely say. But apart from that, everything else I love. They have a lot of shoes on this website, like a ridiculous amount. So it can be overwhelming, but overwhelming in a good way, because we love ourselves some cute shoes at a good price, of course. All this talking, my mouth is hurting. I think it's time for me to go. That's the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys liked the trainers that I picked. Drop me a comment letting me know if you liked it, if you hate it. Let me know what you feel about buying, I don't know, knockoff items, if you hate it, if you love it, because in my last video that I did, some of you guys definitely had a couple of things to say. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm just out here to share with you guys. If you're bougie and on a budget like me, I think this is a perfect website to check out. So this is where we're stopping this video. Follow me on all my socials if you want to know, or if you want to see more of my face. I try to post there a lot more. I'm trying. Instagram is a task. That's the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Mwah.